Hello Ghost Stoppers. Today we are at Ghost Stops Delhi and we would be exploring the Dilwalo Ki Delhi. So come with me. Hi guys, today we are at India's first art district which is very popular among social media and photography enthusiasts. This place actually brings the suburbs and Delhi people together in a very colorful way. Yes, we are at Lodhi Art District, so let's go. Our plan is just to chill here, to walk down these lanes and explore the beauty of this place and just please our eyes and soak in all the art that we can. Place has art by over 50 plus Indian and international artists. So if you just look around and walk down these streets, you would feel beautiful. Like art all over the place and just bursting with different colors. And the best part about it is that it's 7 to 8 kilometers away from post office. So you don't have to travel a lot to come here. Just take one metro from Delhi Gate and you are here in like 7-8 stops. So that's it. Very lifelike painting behind was made by the artist, and he was just trying to give an ode to the life of people who make Lodi Colony what it is today. After exploring the Lodhi Art District, we decided to come to the Lodhi Garden, sit here, have a relaxed evening, spend some time with the nature, walk around a little bit. And yeah, so let's go inside Lodhi Garden. You know what makes it a great place? It is that it's just like 7-8 kilometers away from Ghost Stops and the entry is free. And the timings are really good. It's like 5 a.m. to 8 p.m. So this makes it a great place to chill with the friends you have made at Ghost Stops. You can just have a day out with them here and you won't even know how the time flies. Known for its architecture and fresh air, Lodhi Garden has always attracted tourists from all parts of the country as well as foreign lands. The garden has two pools. One is of Muhammad Shah and the another one is of Sikandar Lodi, on whose name the garden is. So yeah, that's all about it. There are a lot of more places to explore in garden. There is botanical garden, there is bonsai garden here, so we can explore that as well. Classy and posh, Khan Market is the favorite of expats and diplomats. Here you can see a lot of cafes and lot of high-end brands, and you can just explore around the market in the evening with all the glimmer and glam. It shows you an amazing side of Delhi. So yeah, you should definitely visit here and just explore, just roam around the streets of Khan Market and you'll feel amazing. Hello, so today we are at the Shoppers Paradise of Delhi. That's right, this place is a must visit if you are a shopping lover. Yes, I am talking about Sarojini Market and it is just 11 metro stations away from Ghost Stops Delhi. So if you are visiting Ghost Stops, then this place is a must visit. You should not miss this place because this is a takeaway deal for any shopper ever. amount of crowd that there is, even on a weekday. So just imagine how crowded the place will get on the weekends. So let's just go and get to shopping because Delhi आए और सरोजनी the market से shopping नहीं की तो क्या ही shopping experience किया यार. This place has a variety of things to offer. From trendiest of clothes to accessories, you would find everything here at throwaway prices. Not just that, if you are lucky enough, you would find clothes from H&M or Zara. Generally first copies, or sometimes what happens is that the brand rejects these pieces and then you get it here. So you would get it at price like 200 or even 150 sometimes. So it's a must visit if you are a crazy shopper. This is literally the best market I have been to and I'm pretty sure that you would fall in love with it. Also guys, pro tip, bargain, bargain and bargain. Also don't forget to carry your backpack so that you don't have to take the plastic bags from these vendors in order to just go a little greener and help our mother earth. That's it. Just 7 kilometers away from most of Delhi is this place called Karol Bagh. No, you can just visit for here on a lazy day, just stroll around the streets and look at the place. This place is known for all the IAS coaching centers and all the students who are joining the coaching centers live in Old Rajendra Nagar, which you might have heard of a lot because of all these TV series. So yeah, this is a place you can just roam around, interact with these people and understand their psychology behind joining IAS and just like explore the streets. You know how we are always looking for the perfect pair of shoes for ourselves? Especially being a traveler, we need comfortable and good quality shoes. But again, these comfortable and good quality shoes always come with a price. But here in Karol Bagh Shoe Market, you would get comfortable and good quality shoes in reasonable prices. So, if you are in Delhi, this is a must visit for you to get some new good pair of shoes for yourselves for your next trips. Karol Bagh is known for the most famous Gafar market, which is a one-stop destination for all the electronics needs that you have. Be it your phone that has been broken, you will get it repaired here. Even if your screen is broken, you'll get it repaired here. You'll get some amazing mobile covers over here and all the electronic gadgets from PS to TV, mobile phone, speakers. Literally one-stop destination for every accessories and gadget need that you have. You will find it here. So if you are a techie, if you are a geek, and if you are a traveler in general, whose accessories might get broken, whose gadgets might get broken anytime when we travel. So when you are in Delhi for a pit stop at Go Shop, so just stop here and explore the market and get yourself some new goods. exploring the market and you are tired, you need some break, and for that we have Roshan Kulfi, one of the oldest kulfi joints in Delhi. This is more than 60 years old and it is most famous for its Faluda kulfi, and we are going to try it right now. So just let's get it.
Apart from shopping, Karol Bagh is also very well known for its 108 feet gigantic and tall Hanumanji. This place is also known as Sankat Mochan Dham. This mandir has been made for Hanumanji, the god that Hindu people religiously follow. He is the Doot of Lord Rama, and the Murti depicts it. And Delhi is very well known for this Murti. You can see this Murti in a lot of shows and movies. It is very famous, so if you ever see this Murti, you'll know that this place is Karol Bagh.